Shloka describes about 6 urges that we need to control. One is Vacho Vega means the urge to speak, but unnecessary speaking we should avoid. Second, Manasa means mind. So mind's Vegas are urges of the mind are to think and to speculate, to have desires. We need to control that mind's distractions also. Yes, we need to think something positive, something spiritual, something beneficial to us. So we need not think about 100 different things that are irrelevant to us. Manasaha Vegam means we need to control the urge of mind. Third, Krodha Vegam, we need to control our anger. Fourth, the Jihva Vegam specifically indicates the urge to eat. So with our tongue we do 2 things. One, speak, second, eat. Vacha Vegam is what comes out and Jihva Vegam is what goes in. And Udaropastha Vegam means the urges of belly and genitals. So these are the 6 kinds of urges that one needs to control. A person who is not disturbed or distracted by temptations, a person who has the ability to tolerate temptations, he is called Dhira.